as a part of a strategy, and they fallen flat. This election, they tried to become a hard leftist party. And it seems
hard
that
leftist,
exit polls, whatever they are
pro-Muslim type.
saying, that it is coming hard on Congress.
Correct.
Because the people thinks you neither the hard leftist nor the rightist. You have to be the centrist. But
Correct.
on every 4 or 5 years, एक दिन में राहुल गांधी जी आएंगे और जनेऊ पहने हुए दिखाई पड़ेंगे, और एक में वो टी शर्ट पहन के ये कहते हुए दिखाई पड़ेंगे कि कितने ओबीसी हैं और कितने माइनॉरिटी के हैं इसमें मीडिया में और इन सब चीजों में. आई थिंक दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रेटेजिक थिएट्रिक्स doesn't serve the purpose. For a long run, you have to be consistent in your character, consistent in your strategy, then brings the credibility for your leadership.
Yeah.
I think Congress should try to think of it.
I'm not sure about it, but I want Manoj ji to now come in on the other big news of the day, Uttar Pradesh sweep. Uttar Pradesh, Abhishek, I think you can take it forward with...
I think Sudhanshu ji must open a consultancy and become an advisor of Congress. The soft Hindutva, the hard leftist, people think so. People think about the inflation. People think about their thali, Sudhanshu ji. When they will get, you are still giving 80 crores people ration. And you are boasting of that.
To Sudhanshu. Yeah.
A government who is here ruling since 10 years,
रोड पे इंटरनेट कनेक्शन भी है. Don't tell the half truth, sir. इलेक्शन हो गए.
नहीं इलेक्शन नहीं हुए.
65 करोड़ लोगों पे स्मार्टफोन भी है.
अरे भाई मेरी बात सुनिए ना, स्मार्टफोन तो अर्णव गोस्वामी के पास 4 है.
Sir, is it not correct?
आप अभी बोलेंगे कि वो 4 लोग हैं.
latest data is 90 crore people are having internet connection.
सर मैं फिर बता रहा हूँ.
मतलब
Now let me tell you one thing. Now let me.
तो in those 80 crore, 31 crore.
Honorable Parliament, sir, let me speak. अर्णव गोस्वामी जी के दबाव के चलते 3 कनेक्शन तो मुझे लेना पड़ा अपने घर में ब्रॉडबैंड का, जिसका वो पैसा भी नहीं देते हैं मुझे. तो आप बोलेंगे 3 यूनिट है.
यही कांग्रेसियों के साथ समस्या है.
नहीं, कांग्रेसियों को साथ नहीं समस्या है.
चलता ही नहीं.
कांग्रेसी आपके लिए समस्या है, इसीलिए आप इरिटेट हो जाते हैं.
अच्छा, अभी
नरेंद्र मोदी जी कुर्ता पहन के बोलते हैं कि मैं ओबीसी हूं, फिर वो मुसलमानों को बोलते हैं, फिर वो कहते हैं जिस दिन मैं हिंदू मुसलमान करूंगा उस दिन मेरी राजनीति खत्म हो जाएगी. वो गुजरात में बोलते हैं कि 200 सीट पे कांग्रेस नहीं लड़ रही है, जब वो 278 पे लड़ रही होती है. कितना झूठ बोलेंगे सुधांशु जी. एक इलेक्शन के लिए, एक सत्ता के लिए.
जी, हाँ जी, इलेक्शन खत्म हो गए. मैं इलेक्शन मोड में
नहीं, मैं तो सच बता रहा हूं ना. आप
एग्जिट पोल पे बात,
आप मेरी बात सुनिए.
सर 24 घंटे पहले वाले
सरकार अभी आप, अच्छा सुधांशु जी मेरी बात सुनिए. आपने अभी जो सॉफ्ट हिंदुत्व, हार्ड लेफ्टिस्ट, ये सब बोला, क्या इलेक्शन के बाद की बातें हैं?
अच्छा, मैं लेट मी ब्रॉड बेस्ड.
हाँ, तो और क्या सर, यही तो मैं कह रहा हूं. अगर इलेक्शन होता तो मैं थोड़ी आपको ये बता रहा हूं. ये तो मैंने एनालिटिकल व्यू दिया.
एक मिनट,
10 सेकंड सर, 10 सेकंड्स. I cannot confront.
Critical view देता है.
I cannot confront Suhail said today because he has praised me a lot, along with slaughtering me today. But thanks, Suhail ji.
I want to go to Mahesh Jetpalani right now. We are looking at the national picture. I don't want to waste time talking about the Congress because problem of Congress is no cadre, no expansion.
My God, the same word which Sudhanshu ji said. The problem.
I want to look at the bigger picture. Mahesh Jetpalani, I want to look at the macro picture. There is a sense we are getting. The big headline is Narendra Modi is coming in for a third election with a stronger mandate. With a much stronger mandate which nobody expected. Right? So how do you view this number? 360 odd number for the NDA in a winner-takes-all situation could be greater. Mr. Jetpalani.
You know, let me tell you that every time there's an exit poll, last two elections have proved it. The exit polls tend to understate the magnitude of the wave. This is a wave situation.
True.
And for the first time, I actually believe that 400 can be reached. I think 400 now is looking a distinct possibility. And I think that, you know, everybody underestimates the Modi factor. This election, people are not just voting for the Prime Minister. They are now voting for a global leader. This is a man they see who has given a strong sense of confidence of the country internationally. He stood up against the threat of sanctions. He's got oil from Russia, and nothing has happened. He has stood up to the Chinese attacks. He has built up our defenses. He is one of the best leaders we've had for the security of the Indian state, and that counts a lot. This is a vote for India on the global stage, thanks to PM Modi. It's much more than PM. He's now a global leader.
Yeah, so it would be wrong to say, his point is, it would be wrong to say that this is an election where it is because of no alternative. There is no comparison. So what
Absolutely.
there is, and to some extent, the cult of Narendra Modi,